My name is Dr. Stefanie Navarrete. I am family medicine and I practice at HCA Florida St. Lucie Medical Specialists. We see patients of all ages. We actually have a pediatrician in our office as well, so we can continue care for pediatric patients or see them once they graduate from the pediatrician. We see up to, I think our oldest patient is probably over 100. So definitely see a wide variety of ages. In our practice, we see a lot of hypertension, diabetes, we see a lot of Medicare patients, heart failure, women's health. We see pain as well for the osteopathic medicine. Basically your chronic conditions. Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine, that's what the DO stands for. We go to medical school similar to allopathic physicians, but we do a separate class of osteopathic medicine. And with that, that incorporates the body and how it interrelates to medical problems that patients can have. We analyze a patient, can assess pain, different structural problems that they can have and treat them in such ways, like soft tissue techniques. There's lymphatic techniques to help with swelling, muscle energy, which you position the patient and then have them provide resistance against you to do these like physical therapy techniques. I think the residents is what sets our practice apart, just the interaction that they're able to have with their patients and the reassurance that they can provide, their availability as well. There's so many of us, there's 18 in our practice, plus the attendings. So we're a relatively large practice, and the patients have access to all of us through the portal. So my personal approach to my patients is to spend time with them, get to know them, and build that relationship. I think that's one of the most important things, especially as a family medicine doctor. I spend a lot of time with my patients, seeing how they feel, how different aspects of their life can affect their illnesses as well. As an osteopathic physician, that's something that I focus more on, and I also have an osteopathic clinic that we do OMT on patients.